A Florida man's hand was blown off by fireworks on early Saturday morning. Broward Sheriff's Office deputies received a call regarding an incident involving fireworks just after 1 a.m. in Lauderdale Lakes, Florida on Saturday, according to Fox 35 Orlando. When Broward Sheriff Fire Rescue responded to the incident, according to the report, the man as well as his hand were taken to an area hospital. The person was later taken to a different hospital by an ambulance. A witness told 7 News said the incident happened suddenly. "It wasn't even like 5 minutes, 'cause as soon as he lights it, it exploded," said the person, according to the report. The man was taken to the hospital by a private vehicle, but the hand was taken to the hospital by Broward Sheriff Fire Rescue officials, according to the report. According to the witness, his hand was not able to be reattached at the hospital. "They couldn't do nothing," the witness said.